Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate flapjacks. Let's begin. Into a large bowl you'll want to place all of your oats and then set them aside until you need them later on. And into a small saucepan you'll want to place the light brown sugar, the golden syrup, the butter and the cocoa powder, and then place this on a medium heat just until everything's melted and has come together, stirring constantly once everything starts to melt. So once everything is melted and smooth, you will get this glossy, shiny mixture. Don't worry, this is perfectly normal. You can then pour this over the oats and then give it all a good mix using a wooden spoon or a silicone spatula or whatever you've got. Just make sure that you get all of the oats coated in that mixture. So once that's done, you can start to spoon the mixture into your lined 8-inch square tin, and then once you've got all of the mixture in there, you can start to level it out and smooth it out using the back of the spoon or a silicone spatula. Works really well. Use whatever you've got just to level it out. Make sure you get it as level and consistent as possible, as this will help with even baking. All the baking times, temperatures and everything else you need to know will be in the blog post down below. So here are what the flapjacks look like once they are fully baked. I will allow these to cool completely before I remove them from the tin and then go on to cut them up into squares. I would cut mine into roughly 2 by 2 squares, but feel free to cut them into bigger or even smaller portions, whichever works best for you. Now that you've made it this far into the video, I'm going to ask you a quick question. Do you remember having chocolate flapjacks at school? I remember having them at secondary school when I went up from primary, and I'd never had them before, and they was like nice at school, but they was like really thin. These are quite thick. Is it a regional thing to the West Midlands or is it a national thing? Let me know in the comments down below. So thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another video, so join me then. If you have any video suggestions for in the meanwhile, leave them in the comments down below or message them on one of the social medias. All the links you need will be in the description of the video, so check them out. But that's all for this week. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.